Now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. You will help me, right? Great. So we're trying to figure out what kind of weather Blue thinks is coming. And our clues are cloud, a water drop, and freezing. So what kind of weather does Blue think is coming with a cloud, a water drop, and freezing? Well, let's see. What happens when water falls from a cloud?
It rains.
Yeah, it can rain. What if it's cold? Freezing cold. What kind of weather does Blue think is coming when it's freezing?
Snow.
Snow. Yes, of course, Blue. Are you thinking it's snowing outside? We just figured out Blue's clues. We just figured out Blue's clues. Because we're really smart. Come on, Blue. Let's go look out the window.